yeno na ye stubborn. Omo hu ye beginning no. Yeno na ye too stubborn. But baby a ball dey could do any anymore na ball share you know. And this stubbornness in the tone chain. Because sometimes no ferry say we show say we ye bibia we dey no be babon tini. So te ase. But tell me obi oni mi sumiani bia no. On be catch ro. In sumiani me at the age of 12 and 13, me got Kantaba, I was in police station, municipal police station at the age of 12 to 13 years. I know the funny thing I did the funny thing I did me of course I can't no the mom catch. This is not the conversation we are going to have. My home message be I will respond to the message later. This is not the conversation we are going to have. We are going to have the real conversation. But that time I was 12 years. Omodi me free. And I was born in Tamale, Savulugu. So omodi me free Savulugu. And omodi me basu at that age, na min teach ba ko say. Enti any conversation na we say sirim susu free sirim na o batam sa na actually ye no sa tam no na unwurai ekurasi na eti unwurai na dade omudu adware ye sama ye enti jai unwurai omudu adware ye sa na enti jai. Hey madam mahun why mahun enti no enwura no mu da dware sa anti ye ba we no krom no ade kakra bi no na ye kuntoko ade kakra bi na ye bo ade hihye sisi mebubo ye sisi mbubo yansa ti bibia na ye ntokwa. So what took me to the Kantaba and said ye ko ball Presby, I'm saying you are funny the moment. I'll respond to all these messages, guys. So you just tap on the screen, I'm gonna share and I'm gonna like it. And conversation now can say have no. I'll come back to it later. Where do you be trumkake? And your friend is saying you bought our Presby school, no. So you are funny they know. Ne bo ewo Presby school Sunday o anapa nti sa tam ne ye bo a Sunday sa no mo ya asore wo school dem mo nti ye bo na em say wa ni nkora brim sa di ye bo ye na bo no ko wura asore dem ho because yes be start bo ni nyina no mo so mo ya asore nti ye de enja bo no bo mo wi answer na say so ye bo ye park ne school dem ho the difference bi anim ti no omo ye o ma so na mbo ebo nyankopon pe bone ye bo na bo no ko wura school dem bi o mo ya asore no afedi sofo na chi bo no say on for bo no maye on kwara ye so ye be di agro obia suru say obewura asore dem ho akofa bon mi a meti hoyi siremni akwara mentitwi omo kakura me de he na meti firebomb ya metwi no omo kamede menima de kura ekoso ani edini nti na mi wura asore dem ho meni sofo ni kik akwara o beye 11 to 12 years. Ene ni edina kiki na mi wura asore dem ho. Ene mi ko fa bon. Mi ko yi bon ba ye bobo na ye bobo na sa sofo na afro police fo. Sa sofo na afro police fo se o mo mbachi ye bobo no me de me say kiki police for bo me de say twi ni me titwi police football. Obia dia gu na me de me gina ho. And ombe logo me. Ombe logo me straight to Sunyani police municipal police station on Kantaba. Masa. Sure I'm shame we inside. And that age, that tender age, I was too stubborn. But in the magic can say, when you are growing now, you mean, and I say, baby and yakupon edi edu ye no, and I say professional ye father 2 years so yakupon e boy ama ye nya ni mo nyambi. So sometimes BBC you can't even act publicly because you think say ebeye ni go ase ama, you think say obeka obi kura wo ha onji wondi. So what I say, eti omodu mi ko share Kantaba no omo buru mi kakra na message zongo for me maame mo na yimu nya ba so mo njam mo so mo njam amede de omo ka mi de omo kan nyina me nti o me ti Kantaba ho na me sane yedidi because me de twi ni na me nti twi de ekoso omo so won ti twi se na omo kan so won ti twi ondo nim de ekoso na me se hwe stubborn boy Charlie. So that is life. That is life. Intino median come ball dia come stubborn. But I didn't come here say because me back home no na me family or my butchers. Ye family omuton na omuton butchers. My uncle for and I say ye queer like farming. So if say my ball I know I'm here, but I mean we will get time here so that I will take you guys through my football career and my life. So that will be another day. But today we are going to have a deep conversation concerning like situation I see my colleague or because we started from Obuasi and all that and so it's sad. It's sad, but we'll go through it. So let me just go through the messages in main kind because man for Sunday messages be. I just want to respond to those messages then. So Obi say he should have come to USA with his visa and start afresh. I mean, I don't know if say be or visa a valid one in the passport more. Media the best advice and can be man and say Charlie. If you know cross all one papers. If you know one papers the on ton fee no on Giscano. Na on voice cano no on japa on any year any number. No monko pay baby in Europe and as America, Canada baby no on ton fee no. South as on ton fee no. No funny year in a manonko, but sometimes as some say bar or be able share any idea, no opinion, but when you pana here was some and I say your problem now also what na back, what tenacity, a lay back now. Adia me be ye be boa me and I said decision me be take ye be boa me yere ne me mbana and I said me yere ne me mbano and I said me yere na nkasa kuramponu say me take that decision we na one day be on so and say na free me chan yi me ama Charlie you can't trust anybody cause obia prema no ho obi obeka say o prema obi bia na oboa eye ne mfa so nti no o pre obi obeka so premo obi no en fa so ntino because say even crowd premo obi na say so bam fa so also benya so fa so unless the person decide not to remember you. Enti James Millennia Charlie o question and obi say James Millennia one was na true say dey you o say with also on visa no or fan visa and two coin. And I want to also say 13 years, you should forget the house. Charlie, 13 years, you should forget the house. No, he can't forget the house because so the interview now, you could see say enkoyi. So what I say, you could see say enkoyi. Me, I don't know the true story behind say be a normal enkoyi man, but we all been through it. So who was kasen kurampa. There comes a situation whereby I be able to seek a business na sika no kura buy na be a ohia sika bi dey ayade. Etimi ma ho hwehwe. Ebia you as a footballer kurampo na ebia wage salary ende. Otama swam wage salary endo because when him say ebia next month so be na salary ntino. Why you use sika na wage in there. Na ebia next month salary no o ma delay salary no. No ma delay salary no. Entino sika new hu onya say bia wako broke o but sika na o expecting am buy. Entino chale situation bia timi mani paso yashi. Enti ebe na shoe. I say shoe Black Star go for white coach or local coach. Now Black Star na ankasa kura pono chale. I'm just looking at 5 to 10 years to come, say your Black Star and how it's gonna look. Because Charlie, and when should be any massa into be you are come through a nationalist TV. Charlie, I don't know who you are, but Charlie, Black Star wafa white coach da. Wafa local coach da. And then and fashi embrace. Because last time we discussed the same issue here, say, your football now say, until we more 100 years now, so the your football in a year, then you have to go back. But at this time, I know, my try, it's not going to work. Because the main focus is only on the Black Star. Those days now, but young team, their friends, they under 17 and all that, You could see those days national team and under 17 were performing. Under 17 Kuran and idea Nigeria Baganians or football under 17 for an idea Nigeria. Okay, your friends say Audi Sakamu, Opoko Afriyemu, Franka Manquamoni, Wimono, your friend almost started under 17 Omunomudi and Nigeria Bagana football. And Sana, your friend is saying, yeah, how this Sakamu Kochi World Cup and Sana Ababa Opoko Gyimah no Wakaso Muko Peru and all that Saddick Bukari Muko boy at the Nigeria Brunamo surround match crampos. I don't know one born on match you. Yeah, surround match never surround match because what the poverty hey because never be coso. Omu de any free one ebeka yedi ewo Korea. Yeah, those times in Okrampono, if we don't win trophies like the junior level in Okrampono, you people more enjoy the game. You enjoy the football. But it's no more there. Me, I don't even remember the last time I met under 17 cup. And look, under 20, under 24 World Cup you win here. That was 2008. How many years now? African Cup Okrampono, I don't Charlie. Me there be a Black Star no Okrampono there. Me, I don't have anything to say there because no be no Didi. Obia Didi oho. So what I say, Obia Didi oho. The main focus should be on our football. Our local football. So what I say. Into born a kuya and a players. These days we don't get players like say you only get players almost say you say a tiny dim will be or bobo na friend or bobo hana friend or bobo hana friend. But those days look at Samoja, look at Steve Appiah, look at Derek Boateng, look at Michael Essien, look at those players that Ajiman Badu money we mono Wakaso money, those players that was playing for the Black Star no, Oma Faluka no course. And even the current Black Star no, you could see those performing no, Oma Brew Lucas in no coy. That Fatal Shaku and all that. Look at how the boy suffered during his days in Ghana. no, but second division was the first division and all that. I said no, but dreams, free dreams and all the core sporting, of course, sporting. So the same thing. I'm not the course team B. He fought through all this and all the bar Leicester and Afedi. Even after that, cross and injury went back for some months, no send back. You could see. But they say no more way boy be how way boy where I come from. And it's not coach fault, Charlie. The players are no more there. That's the only players we have. So you guys will just manage it. I'm just thinking about like 5 to 10 years to come. Look up, Black Stars, see it look like. And question the local players, local coach, or Charlie. Emfa. And I'll say, how did you see the performance of? And I'm magic kind of football now say Ghana. Me share on my matches. The only thing I see say here, me come Facebook now. Me scrolling through and I me some highlight and all that. If I see something that is not good and I say that is not right, then I talk about it. But me intimate show my matches, Charlie, because it's boring. It's very boring. Very, very boring. Imagine like a whole Ghanaian Premier League, Ghana Premier League. The only player that we can get to represent us in the local scene, our national team level, your friends, a goalkeeper. Not say be a bad, because one also he has worked so hard to be there, but we don't even have like typical players, good players. See we the Odamus from Ghana League no. Masa, yeah, coaching or outside could have bad Ghana scene. We were still performing than those around there. Yeah, the dead no more pitches papania that then you buy and you no more money and the buga jinam. We were still performing than them. It's way there now, master. Sure, Charlie. So right now, you be doing como guys. You be doing como. You be doing como. Say after Korea, I didn't see you playing for Ghana again. Share. And the master, social media is free, Charlie. You can go and search. It's a senior. It's been a long. Yeah, Charlie. And let's get deep into the conversation about Charlie. Easy. Obviously, sell the house, build or buy 3 bedrooms and invest the rest of them. A good idea, but it's the house that is fighting to take. And let's just hope say. Media. What I'm saying is, let's have the conversation. Like I said, me share the video, Charlie. I felt sad. Rebecca said, I didn't know feel sad. I felt sad because, as a footballer, my for Ghana any example no keke. Say population saying in the Ghana like 30-something million me boy. Now say you are able to work hard and your way through to be at that level. Say we are seeing my brother. First of all, any easy and any lack. Be can be because a lacker will be a sorry will be a bumpy. I just say Ujinya Kupo, the other say UGBT will be a bumpy. Senya Kupo in Shram will be a one a lack. But as a footballer, say, I'm sorry. Ghana population we nyina na wo be popo no what ma reach a level above Black Star asana ko bo aburuchiri amanone ama wiase nyina hu se upia bontina yesi asimesini obi a wonnim no kurampo no upie no hu onim a o se wa enye easy my brother bi a wo hyase no yɛra yɛmfa no sɛ o bi kurampo a yɛwo to won obi wo hɔ a bi a abusiafo mpo ahwɛ no obi wo hɔ a bi a ne maame mpo ahwɛ no obi wo hɔ a bi a ne papa mpo ahwɛ no but through the guy and I say nipa no the hard work ni determination say o person no so ye bibi no o timi e work hard no wa reach ni peak bi na wa reach level bi after all that na bi kura nipa no timi sanepa back e hu ni say mabusiafo ni so I have to take care of them. And you know one thing, footballer bia ni ho a wase ma bobo adu bia nyiska awo baka say mama me family wan sidi kura mana ndida amo man ndida footballer bia ni ho even kurampo no footballer wonyeska na nyankopon boa wo na wonyeska na animonyam na the stardom enyeska kurampo a the stardom enyeska kurampo a sa stardom no etimi kabi mu sa stardom etimi ka wunua ka wo family na ebia obi ahu wunua bi wa abontene na ebia obi ahu unhu nipa bi wa abontene na wa mani bibi anase wa ye bibi ama footballer bia ni ho. There is no footballer in this world or say me ball no e bi kura man yi wan sidi bia mama down for bi anase man yi wan sidi bi kura man me family bi da footballer bia ni ho. There is no footballer in this world say bia me ball no me nya sika mama me nua bi wan sidi mama me family member bi wan sidi because the moment na wo beji di no aba no wo kura mpo no wo refi no mo de ye o satam na wo ya kwara no the moment wo be nyesika anya film no wo samu be go the moment no wo refura fi bone obi ade di wo because you want to make everyone happy. And the footballer beyond her, trust me, there is no footballer in this world that will say, when I became rich, you know, I did not even give my family a penny, my brother a penny, or my mother a penny, or even the friends around me, I did not even give them even $1 or $1 or even any currency. Mention it, name it. Alright, let's just use them as an example. Oh, Marge, $1. Oh, dad, $1. Oh, Mimi, $2. Hey, madam, for be young baby name, what numbio. Oh, young baby name, trust name did you. Oh, Charlie, and then the minister, Charlie, send them $2, send them $3. Then you will do it out of love. Or be awkward and the last crumple, the bemau. So there is no footballer. Obaka me dem bobo GD, me family, my mom $1, my mom $2, my mom $3. You will do it. But let me tell you something. You will do it. Or more or your mom no. Or money so because they were expecting more. Or more or your mom no. Or money so because they were expecting more. Or more want to mind now more so or more for mu ka. Na ewiase obia na obetima ama na asere. Ebi krampo bia wan hu ahyase no. Honestly, we have a DB. But you know, you didn't come say most of the times, you know. That's a normal way to footballers are. The only thing they tag footballers say be a nyankopon abo mo ball 1 year ska be brave. The only thing na e be na one day be na be am fan say no man koyi. You don't no man koyi you na be BBS no man koyi na e be a wa hwe bibia. The only thing they tag footballers in say ordinary kana pema. Ordinary kana no masa ordinary kana ya ade basa. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, bimu yesa ewo. There are other people who they are rich, but they be a mati or moso. They be a motibia ba no monsa, but they are still rich. So what I say, obi o ha yes kapa, but oye masem and no monsa, but still ha yes kam. But I no kura dem hwo but footballer e benye sika na say nyankopon aya adum bie na say BBC e wona abrabu na bia wo behwere na japade a the only thing I'm gonna say I'm feeling sika so brother maybe sha say me dikan ka bi say say Obia niwa oye so careful in this life. Say me are very careful. Ebi ni ho. There's no one like I'm so careful in this life. Into the media, I did wait to me nyame. My brother and told that. And I have someone so and told that why be you say una wuni mi ansa was in bia ho. It never happened to you, so when it happens like that, you think, say, you are the only sensible person in this world. No. Nyankopon ka say, or testo untia. You understand? You know, ya wura situation mu bebre. Me madika ka say at the age of 12, me no ma famwa. And I even cry for it, that's so fam. Because the obeya mom no money in so and the one ya man so no so on pewasem the one timi anya man on pewasem sure me at the age of 12 enemy free on be fa me ko academy at the age of 12 brother at the age of 12 you have a family free. Do you even know how or why I got ebi omodi me free tamale edeme ko sunyani? I went for omodi me free tamale edeme ko dua ya onkonta me nkwara bonesem no musam de me free dua ya onkonta de me ko sunyani hon nyina me family ho at the age of 12 and I'm free me ma me nchen na me kwatena me auntie and me uncle. So no, me uncle no korampo no na ne dine dameso. Most people don't even know this. Me uncle dine dameso Adams no me uncle dine and a dameso. But most people don't know. Pia into kasa we mo be story actually. You lie. Nipa na kasa ne bitima kan story actually. Either say you believe it or not. Obia sembe da bontina no obia kan it say bia onim nipa no you don't know the person nipa na nkasa ne betima kan ho asem akiro